everyone. So today I'm going to show you how can you reuse your chopping boards or cutting boards for your home decor. The ones that I am going to use are the wooden ones, and those are the rectangle shape, but you can use any shape or any size you want. So yes, let's get started. So these are the chopping boards that I'll be using. As you can see, they are very dirty. They have little cracks in them. They have a lot of scratch marks on that. So I'm going to upcycle these and use this as a part of my home decor. Other than the chopping boards, you would need the paint brushes. Whatever size you feel you're comfortable with is fine. I'm going to use two flat brushes. One is very big and one is very small, but mostly I'm going to use the small one. You can use a pencil. You will need a pencil so that you can draw over and see how your design might look. Then I am also going to use a thick marker, black color marker. Then this is just a wooden stick that I'm going to use to store all my paint jars before I use them. For the colors, I'll be using chalk paint colors, and you can choose whatever color you would like. You can also use acrylic colors if chalk paint is not something that you're comfortable with. And then other than that, I'll be using this acrylic color for the base because I want my design to pop up on the white color, so I'll be using an acrylic color. And then best to have some tissue papers on hand when you're doing a DIY project. So yes, so let's get started with it. Firstly, I'm going to prepare the chopping boards by painting white color on them. Always shake your jar before using the colors. Now we have our chopping boards ready. Now one by one I'm going to paint them. Before that I'm going to sketch over it so that I know how I want my design to be. I will get started with the middle one since the other ones are still little wet. So here's the sketch that I have made, and now I'll start painting over it. So this is after applying two coats. So I've applied the second coat on that. The grey was fine, but the yellow was little translucent. So I don't want to keep it like that. So that's why I applied the second coat. Now I'll sketch what I want on top of this. I'll use my marker. So either you can use like a bold marker or you can go for something like Sharpie. I'm using a bold permanent marker. So this is how it looks now. So I wanted to go for a very minimalistic abstract art, but if you want, you can fill up the complete board. You can add more florals, you can add more colors, like whatever kind of design you want to go for. Now I will finish the other two, and yes, I'll show you the final version. I hope you like this upcycling project. There's this one thing that I missed in the video is that I have also applied the varnish spray on the final pieces, so you can also do the same. Apart from that, if you really like the video, please hit the like button. If there's anything that you would like to share with me, more ideas, or you would like to ask something about the process of the materials I have used, you can ask that in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be coming up with more videos, more DIY projects, more upcycling projects. So yeah, hope to see you next time.